Hey buddies, Cheech here, doing the bushcrafting thing, or whatever term you want to do with it. I would have felt bad if I hadn't been able to record this while I did it, because it would be tough to explain afterwards and have something to show. Okay, this is the backyard's forge, whatever you want to call it. I've been using it as a grill because when we didn't bring our stove from where we used to live to the new place, and we was going to change to electric, so we use a grill that I built out here as our cook stove, and also works as our forge. And I am installing a bellows. Everybody knows what a bellows is. Hopefully, you know, the thing blow a little air in there to make it hotter. And okay, I've shown videos before where I show how I built the grill, and I think I briefly explained it, where I got two separate halves. The grill surface operates both over the top of both halves. One half has a lower area where I build a fire and have it set up to where it's a oven, and it has a dividing wall with the brick set up so that the air can pass between it. Have a lower fire off the one side, drafts up to the higher fire bed area where I use normally as our cook stove, because I can get that sucker good and hot. And I've been test driving a little forging on it, just a little, not much, you know. I'm just now putting the bellows. What I have set up is a hose from a what you would hook up to the back of a washer, washing machine, and have the shower nozzle, which is the little piece of stainless that is just a little L-shaped, slightly curved piece. I made a little gap in between the bricks and stuff to make that elbow go in there and sit and just blow up above the surface area of my grilling side, which I'll use that as the forge because it definitely gives me the hot temperatures, and I've already shown that in a couple of previous videos. Wouldn't do justice if I didn't show the few pieces that's going to go in towards showing how I can blow the air in and so on, and work the surface. So right now I will demonstrate. I'll show you one. There's the pen here. Took some chicken wire and did pretty much like a golf ball or a soccer ball design. Made a screen. Okay. Hammered that out, bent them in the right directions, folded over the pieces and stuff like that. Okay, that's going to sit over the apparatus that's going to blow the air in. Alright. The walnuts are falling out of the tree. Sound like freaking gunshots. Okay, so anyways, this is where the air is going to blow through. I did this so that most of the ash and embers don't fall into the little tube, which is the apparatus for where the delivery device is for the hose. And let's show that so that we can be up to speed on what we're doing here. Okay. Bear with me, the camera moves around. Okay. Here's the hose that I'm doing with. Comes around to this little apparatus here. It's an old bike pump. Simply pump the air into it. You know, compress the air, whatever. Perfect. I got it taped up to the hose right there, blowing the air through, right into there. Here, a little close-up view. Right inside there. I got it snaked in. Then, let me bring it around. So you can see. Comes in right there. That's the outlet. I've got to get what I'm going to burn right there. There you go. Now, what I'm going to do is take my screen. There you go. Hopefully with the steady cam in place, now it's going to be steady. As you can tell, down in the hole, this is a block surface right there, and I've got ash across the back side, there, and all the way around. And I'm going to do with the screen here, place it over top of the my little hose apparatus. Let a little tension take place right there, and that's how it's going to sit. Now I can lay whatever as I'm going to do the burn, and I know some ashes will fall in there, but the pumping action, that's me using the pump to pump air into the exit point right there. Today I'm going to be grilling some chicken breast, but I've got this big old metal spoon. I'm going to melt a little silver in there. Hopefully, if this spoon can act as a good crucible, then I'll be doing something. But I got to get to the point of starting a fire. So I just wanted to explain that as part of the grill setup. And I've got a metal roof, shed roof design off the direction most of the weather's going to be coming from. That's northwest, really. And anvil setup. I've got my miniature anvil right there. There's that spoon with the silver in it. Okay, I got all my wood over here. I've got busted up. Gonna get this fire started, and I'm gonna test drive the Bellows for the first try to see how well it can deliver air through there, and see if what I did was worth doing. Okay, we'll do the next video when I got the fire going. One more quick close-up. That's the delivery area, flush with the surface area. Okay. Oh, this grill. It's an awesome setup right there.